In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Google Forms survey in just 5 minutes. This powerful tool is an excellent way to gather information, conduct polls, or even collect feedback. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open up Google Drive. This is where you're going to create and store your form. Head over to drive.google.com and log in using your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're in Google Drive, look towards the top left corner of the screen. There you'll see the New button. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking New, a drop-down menu will appear, giving you several options of what you can create. Hover over More to reveal even more options, and from there click on Google Forms. This will take you to the Forms interface where you can start creating your survey. Once you are in Google Forms, the next step is to choose a blank form. You'll see an option for that right away. Click it and you're ready to roll with a fresh, clean slate for your survey. Your form is now open, and the first thing you should do is name it. The title of your form is essential because it gives your respondents a quick understanding of the survey's purpose. Simply click on the untitled form and a text box will appear for you to enter the desired name. With your form titled, it's time to add questions. Google Forms is versatile, allowing you to choose from multiple question types such as multiple choice, drop-downs, short answer, and more. To start adding questions, click on the plus sign or add question button. Think carefully about the type of information you're hoping to collect and choose the question format accordingly. If your survey requires different sections, perhaps to break up topics or themes, click Add More Sections. This helps in organizing the form better and can make it easier for respondents to follow along. Now turn your attention to the Responses tab. Click on it and here you can manage and view the responses you receive. You can also decide in which format you want to collect these responses, be it via email or directly on Google Forms, ensuring you have set the most convenient method. Once every element feels just right and you're satisfied with your form, the final step is to publish it. Look for the Send or Publish button. This enables you to share your form with your audience. You can choose to share it via a link, email, or even embed it in a website. And there you have it, your very own Google Forms survey, all set up and ready to go. This user-friendly tool is a fantastic way to gather data efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more how-tos and tips to make your digital life easier.